Understanding Changing Diapers, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and everyday phrase, changing diapers. This is a common task especially for parents or caregivers, and understanding this phrase will help you in both listening and speaking English in everyday life. Let's dive in. Changing diapers refers to the process of removing a used diaper from a baby or a toddler and replacing it with a clean one. It's a routine task in childcare and involves a few steps to ensure that the baby remains clean and comfortable. This phrase is often used in parenting contexts and is essential for those caring for young children. In this section, we'll break down the steps involved in changing diapers. 1. Preparation. Gathering all necessary items like a clean diaper, baby wipes, and a changing mat. 2. Cleaning. Removing the used diaper and using baby wipes to clean the baby's skin gently. 3. Replacing. Placing a new, clean diaper and securing it comfortably around the baby. 4. Disposal. Safely disposing of the used diaper and cleaning up the changing area. Understanding these steps can help you comprehend conversations or instructions involving childcare. In many cultures, changing diapers is seen as a basic yet essential part of childcare. It's a task that reflects caregiving, indicates a person's role in taking care of a child, involves hygiene and health, ensures the baby's cleanliness and prevents discomfort or rashes, signifies responsibility, shows a caregiver's attentiveness and responsibility towards a child's basic needs. We hope this video has been informative in explaining the phrase, changing diapers, and its relevance in everyday English. It's not just a phrase, but a part of a crucial routine in childcare. Whether you're a parent, a caregiver, or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding such phrases can be incredibly helpful. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful English language content.